Good morning, students of class 9. Previous day we had completed 11th paragraph, in which it is written that Einstein's mother didn't want that Einstein should marry Mileva Marie, but the pair finally married in January 1903 and had 2 sons. But a few years later the marriage faltered, became weak, and Mileva meanwhile was losing her intellectual ambition. She was becoming an unhappy housewife. That's why after years of constant fighting, the couple finally divorced in 1990. Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. Today we are going to start 12th paragraph. Einstein's new personal chapter coincided with his rise to world fame. In 1915, he had published his general theory of relativity, which provided a new interpretation of gravity. An eclipse of the sun in 1919 brought proof that it was accurate. Einstein had correctly calculated in advance the extent of which the light from fixed stars would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field. The newspaper proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. In this chapter it is written that when Einstein wrote a theory about general theory of relativity, in which he had provided a new interpretation of gravity, because an eclipse of the sun in 1990 brought proof that Einstein had calculated it correctly. Because Einstein had earlier calculated correctly the extent to which the light from fixed star would be changed its direction, and he entered into the sun's gravitational field. This time the newspaper proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. He has showered with honors and invitations from all over the world and lauded by the press. When Einstein received Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921, he was given honors and several invitations from all over the world. All the country invited him, and the press lauded his work, and in such way Einstein became a great and famous personality. Come to next paragraph. When the Nazi came to power in Germany in 1933, Einstein immigrated to the United States. 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. Many of them had fled from fascism, just as Einstein had, and now they were afraid the Nazi could build and use an atom bomb. When Nazi came into power in Germany in 1933, Einstein fled away to United States. After 5 years, due to the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin, had American physicists in an uproar. They became very upset because they thought that Nazi could build and use the atom bomb. That's why many of the scientists had fled from fascism due to the fear of fascism. just as Einstein had, and they had a fear of preparing atom bomb by the Nazis. At the urging of a colleague, Einstein wrote a letter to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt on 2nd August 1939, in which he warned a single bomb of this type exploded in a port might very well destroy the whole port altogether with some of the surrounding territory. His words didn't fail to have an effect. The Americans developed and dropped it on the Japanese city of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. When one of his friends requested Einstein, he wrote a letter to American President Franklin D. Roosevelt on 2nd August 1939, in which he had warned that a single bomb of this type, if exploded in a port, might very well destroy the whole port altogether with some of the surrounding territory. His words didn't fail to have an effect because Americans developed an atom bomb in secret project of their own. And after preparing the atom bomb, they dropped it on Japanese city of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. Einstein was deeply shaken by the extent of the destruction. This time he wrote a public missive to the United Nations. In it, he proposed the formation of world government. Unlike the letter to Roosevelt, this one made no impact. But over the next decade, Einstein got more involved in politics, agitating for an end to the arms building and using his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy. When Einstein observed the destruction of atom bomb of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, he was deeply shaken the extent of the destruction. That's why this time he write a letter, especially it was long an official letter to the United Nations. And in this letter he had proposed for the formation of world government. But unlike the letter to Roosevelt, this one made no impact. That's why in the next decade, Einstein became involved in politics and he used his popularity and started campaigning for peace and democracy, as he wanted that all the nations should stop building arms, nuclear weapons, and they should set up democracy in place of monarchy and dictatorship. When Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76, he was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as a scientific genius. Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76, but he was celebrated as a visionary. Visionary is a person who can think about the future in an original and intelligent way. And he was considered a world citizen. People didn't think that he was the citizen of a certain country. We know very well that he was a scientific genius and he was considered a world citizen, not the citizen of any special country. So, in such way, Einstein fought well, used his popularity as he wanted to establish peace all over the world, and he also used his popularity he started campaigning for peace and democracy. This is the ending of the chapter. Now, after completing this chapter, we will start next chapter. Thanking all of you. Have a nice day.